So now let's see how we can use the select all feature. So here you can see that I have a bunch of text on the document, and if I want to select all of it, I can press Ctrl A on my keyboard and everything gets selected. So I can delete this out by pressing the delete key on my keyboard or press Ctrl Z to get it back. So I'm going to go around right here, and then let's say for example I don't want to use the shortcut key, then you have the select all feature right here as well. So simply click on select all. You can see that the shortcut key pops up as well. Click on it and there's the select all feature. You can also go around now onto the view menu, and here you can see that there's another feature called word wrap which you might find useful. So if I were to go around into word wrap and click on no wrap, you can see that this changes out. So these sentence, that is the entire paragraph, gets spanned across until the end of the screen till you get the scroll bar right here. Another thing that you can do is you can wrap it to window. So whatever window you have here, so if I were to resize this, you can see that I can resize this and the word get wrapped around the window right here. And another word wrapping feature is wrap to ruler, that this is the default view we have been working with, and this is in the page view, the print preview. This is how it would be printed if it were printed. And that is how you can work around and choose the word wrap feature to work around with it inside of WordPad. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.